Walmart. Well, I'm looking for something to snack on, and I like chips.
Chips? You like chips? You want a chip?
Spicy chips seem to be all the rage that everybody has. I myself grew up eating spicy Cheetos, the Flamin' Hots, yes. But there's so much more to the game now. We got whatever the heck these things are. Taco Explosion. It's a Tuesday, so Taco Tuesday sounds like the real deal right now. All of them cost $2.50. $2.50. All right, it's $2.50 for all of them. But I'm trying to figure out which one's gonna get me more. Lucky for me, I know how to read. Here it says net weight 8 1/2 ounce swag. 8 1/2 ounce chile limon. Oh, some Spanish. Go ahead. Oh, contenido neto, net weight. Yeah, 9 1/4 ounce, 9 1/4. So here we go. We got 8 1/2, 9 1/4. Well, that's not much math. I already know that this 9 is bigger than this 8. So let's check out Taco Explosion. 9 1/2 ounce. Well, check this out. 9 1/4 ounce, 9 1/2 ounce. Now it just comes down to, do I know which fraction is bigger? 1/4, 1/2. Well, 4 is bigger than 2, so that is not correct actually. The smaller the denominator, the bigger the pieces that make up the whole. 1/2 is in fact bigger than 1/4. So ladies and gentlemen, I think we found our winner. Taco Explosion, as well as the other ones. I'm taking them all. Haha, suckers. Comes down to it, that little tiny fraction of a difference is not gonna be that much more chips or less chips. But still, the fact that I proved fractions are real in real life makes me feel good. So I'm gonna look for more fractions now. I'm a little excited about this one because it also involves decimals. What up? Alright, so check this out. More hot stuff. So we got the Flamas Más Caliente. That's something in Spanish, and I know caliente means hot. So check this out. Net weight 5 1/2 ounce. Can you see that? There it is. 5 1/2 ounce. Now, the problem is that this guy's in decimals. All right. This guy says 5.5 ounces. I think you just read that as 5 5/10 ounces. All right. Now let's think about 5/10. 5/10. Is that more, less, or equal to 5 1/2? 5 1/2. 5 5/10. Well, I know 5/10. 5 is half of 10, which must mean that means 5/10 and 1/2 are the exact same thing. So both of them have the exact same amount of chips in it, but one's cheaper than the other. Now they have the same amount of chips, but this one's $1.18. This one's $1.50. Now, this one's a better deal because it's cheaper for the same amount of chips. They tried to trick me with this fraction. 5 1/2. Also 5 1/2, but just in decimal form. Walmart is just the greatest. It has everything, like food and drinks and so many happy faces around. I'm not gonna show them on camera, they're not happy right now. But usually, check this out. Sweet and salty peanuts, yep. Sweet and salty peanuts. Yeah, excellent, okay. So this one, you get 12 of them, and they're each 1.23 ounces, or 1 23/100 of an ounce, right? And check this one out. 12 bars, right? 12 bars, just like this one was 12, good. And then 1.2 ounces. 1.2, 1.23. Well, this one doesn't have a hundredths place, so I can just put a 0 right there. That's the same thing as 1 20/100. This one's 1 23/100. So this one's a little bit bigger. But then we gotta look at the price. $3.98, $4.98. What the heck? This one has less and it costs more. That wasn't a hard decision. I don't care what the name brand is. Look at this. It's a Ben tree to take a break in case you're shopping too long. I found more fractions. Ugh. What fraction of these eggs are brown? Okay, I'm sorry. That one was a little bit easy. It doesn't count. We'll find more. Guys, you'll never believe it. Guess where I am? How did you know? Fruity Pebbles, Cocoa Pebbles. Guess what? Bum, 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 bum. What in the world? Cinnamon Pebbles? When did this happen? No one told me. No one told me. Get in the box. I mean the cart. Wait a minute, they also have cinnamon frosted flakes. Which one should I get? Well, this says family size, and I'm not sharing with my family, so maybe I'll stick to what I got. Pause. Okay, I found them. I found the real deal. This is what everybody keeps getting, the Takis, right? Maybe I pronounced it wrong. Whatever.
Cheeto the top.
Bah.
Hot Cheeto the top.
Bah.
My fingers saying red and I cannot get them up.
So let's check it out. They got 9 and, what's that, 9.9 ounces? That's 9 and 9/10 of an ounce. 9 and 9/10 ounces. We come back here. This is 9 and 1/2 ounces for my taco explosion. And then we got 9 and 1/4 ounce. Uh-oh, okay, so what's bigger? We got 9 and 1/2. Lost it. 9 and 1/4. Or 9 and 9/10, 9.9. Now this is a decimal, but we can still read it. So if you have worked this out, you should have realized that 9 and 9/10 is much bigger than these. Go Takis. Psych. Stay here. You know why? $2.33. I ain't paying that much. Let's go somewhere. Ever try to buy something and you're looking at two things and you can't tell which one's bigger because they're different shapes? Me too. Check these two drinks out. Check them out. They're two different shapes, right? This one's more like rectangular, right? And this one's more circular, right? All right. So you can't really tell. They look about the same height. Yeah. This one has a little bit less liquid in there than that one. Maybe the pressure or something. As soon as I open this one up, the liquid's gonna drop down. Okay, so which one comes with more? Well, most people are just gonna grab this guy and say, yeah, this one has more because the liquid's filled to the top. Let's check our work, huh? Yeah, so I see 1.58 quarts, 1 58/100 quart, right? Yeah, check it out. Now, come down here. 1.6 quarts, can you see that? There we go, 1.6 quarts. What's bigger, 1 6/10 or 1 58/100? Whoa, all right, now here's the next mistake that most people are gonna make. They're gonna say, oh, 58's bigger than 6, yeah, we got the winner. Psych, step aside, because this is 6/10, which is the same as 60/100. I found the real winner. Math is power. Ladies and gentlemen, I love shopping with math. Ice cream, let's do it. 4 fluid ounces, 3.5 fluid ounces. This seems like the better deal. But no, this is tacos.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why.
Check this out, 1 pint of ice cream. So if my friend asked me to get a gallon of ice cream, how many of these pints would I have to buy before it's a gallon? You wanna know something that's a little sad and it's true? I got so caught up in finding fractions that I totally forgot why I came to Walmart in the first place. All right, check these 3 air fresheners out. This one is 6 17/100 ounces. And this one, I lost it, there we go, 6 17/100. And then 6 2/10. All right, now which one's bigger, 6 2/10 or 6 17? 6 17. Well, if we add our hundreds place as a 0, that would be the same as 6 20. So this is bigger. However, this is 488. This guy is 292. So considering the price difference, and these are close enough, because if I round this up to the nearest tenth, that'd be 6.2. So it's pretty much the same, and this is like $3 and this is like $5. So I might as well get this guy. That was fun, but I spent too much time in there because when I went in there, it was daytime. So we'll try again next time. Guys, check this out. $2.25 and 9 cents. Please, come on. We know 9 cents is pretty much one whole. It's close enough. So that's like saying $2.26. You're not fooling me. 9 cents. So just as a reminder, many companies probably round the numbers that are on their product. So we don't know if the numbers that we see on the box or on the can are exact. But it's still good to know. Keep looking for math.